Have you ever uploaded an image only to find that the old one still shows up? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to programmatically update your image cache using Fresco. I understand how annoying it can be when you expect to see a fresh image, but the old one just won't go away. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when working with image caching. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I remove an old cached image and insert a new one after uploading it to the server?" They mentioned that even after trying to evict the old image from the cache, it still shows up. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this? It often comes down to how the caching mechanism works in Fresco. Even after evicting the old image, it might still be referenced somewhere in your code. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your image caching more effectively. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the old image is completely removed from all caches. This includes the memory cache, disk cache, and the main file cache. Next, after ensuring the old image is removed, the user should insert the new image into the cache using the new URI provided by the server response. It's important to handle any exceptions that may occur during the insertion of the new image. The user should ensure that they catch and log these exceptions for debugging purposes. Finally, the user should update the image view with the new URI to display the newly uploaded image. This ensures that the user interface reflects the latest changes. Did you know? The first image caching techniques were so slow that users often gave up waiting. Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user highlights that the issue was related to the URI format for the new image. They discovered that correcting the URI format resolved the problem of the old image still being displayed. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests removing the cached image using the main disk storage cache and the small image disk storage cache. They recommend parsing the URI of the image and then calling the remove method on both caches. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always check if the old image is still being referenced in your code after eviction. This can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to update your image cache successfully. Remember, managing your image caching is key to a smooth user experience. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing image loading.